Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use BCC and CC in your Microsoft Outlook email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use BCC and CC in your Outlook email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a big team or various customers, and some emails you want to BCC or include other recipients to receive a copy so they can see what's going on. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook email. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook email, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to send an email, but also include BCC and CC, you're going to click on New Mail here on the top left. Once you do that, you can fill out the to, the subject, also the body. However, to add a BCC or a CC up here on the top right, you can choose which one or even both. So I'll choose CC and then also BCC. So you may already know this, but just to confirm, if you're going to do CC, everybody who is on this list, CC, is going to be able to see everybody who received this email. So if you add your mother, your father, and your brother into CC, all of them are going to be able to see that email, and they're going to be able to see who was included in that list. Now, if you want to do BCC, you can add them here. So for example, if you add your mother, your brother, and your sister here, the only thing they're going to see is that you sent the email, they were BCC, blind copied onto this email. Now, if there's any CCs on the email, they're going to see that. So we can add Tom here and let's say Sarah here. So what Tom is going to see is they're going to see my name because I'm the one who sent it, and they're going to see anybody who's on the CC list. They will not see BCC. They won't see that Sarah is receiving it. Now what Sarah's going to see is they're going to see that Tom received it and that I sent it, but they won't see anybody else who's on the BCC list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use CC and BCC in your Microsoft Outlook email, that's the way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.